Before we start this tutorial, I would like to give a shout out to all my subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I'm glad that we can be connected through YouTube, and I hope that my videos could be meaningful to you in one way or another. Alright, coming back to our tutorial today, we'll learn a simple beginner's method to solve the top layer of the puzzle cube. There are only 3 simple steps and 4 algorithms in this method. Ready? Let's go! Hello everyone, my name is Ernie. In this tutorial, you'll learn a beginner's method to solve the top layer after you have solved your first 2 layers of your 3x3 puzzle cube. Alright, let's begin. The first step of this beginner's method is to create the yellow cross. We'll ignore the 4 corner pieces for now and focus only on the edge pieces of the top layer. First, we'll identify the pattern of the yellow tiles on the top of your puzzle cube. There are 3 possibilities. That is, the pattern may be a yellow dot, a yellow line, or a yellow pattern that is shaped like an L. If you have a yellow dot, you can position your puzzle cube in any directions. If you have a yellow line, you will position your yellow line horizontally. Lastly, if you have a yellow L shape, then you should position your puzzle cube with the 2 yellow edge pieces facing to your right and front, like so. We'll use the yellow line example. You will learn one algorithm and you may need to repeat a few times until your yellow cross is created. So once you have positioned your puzzle cube, apply this algorithm. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. With that, our yellow cross is created. For step 2, we will solve all the 4 edges on the top layer. First, rotate the top layer of your puzzle cube until you match the color of the edge to the center piece. You should match as many edges as possible. Typically, you should be able to find 2 edges and they may be located perpendicular to each other or opposite to each other. If you do not have any matched edges, you can position your puzzle cube in any directions. Alright, we'll use our example with 2 matched edges that are opposite to each other. First, position your puzzle cube with the matched edges facing to your left and right palm, like so. Then apply this algorithm. R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime. With that, now we have 2 matched edges that are perpendicular to each other. We'll apply the same algorithm one more time. First, position your puzzle cube with one of the matched edges facing to your left and the second one facing to the back, like so. Then we apply the same algorithm again. R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime. With that, our 4 top edges are solved. In step 3, we'll solve the top 4 corners of our puzzle cube. This is the last step, and once it is done, our puzzle cube will be solved. First, with the 4 top edge pieces still in their matched positions, we will inspect our puzzle cube to see if all our corner pieces are in the right locations. What this means is that the corner piece must either be soft or has the correct colors but in a wrong orientation. For example, this unsolved corner piece has orange, blue, and yellow, which matches the colors of all its 3 center pieces: orange, blue, and yellow. So this corner piece is in its correct location. The other 3 corners are not okay because they are either not soft or in a wrong location. Therefore, we need to swap and put them into their right locations. To do that, first, position your puzzle cube with a correct corner piece on your bottom right, like so. If you do not have any corner piece that is in its correct location, you can position your puzzle cube in any directions. One more thing to note is that you may have to apply the same algorithm several times in order to put all the corner pieces in their correct locations. Alright, once your puzzle cube is in position, you will apply this algorithm. U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. The corner pieces are still in wrong locations. Therefore, we'll apply the same algorithm again. U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. Alright, once you have all your top 4 corner pieces in their correct locations, turn your whole puzzle cube towards your left like so. So now you should have the yellow center facing your left palm and the white center facing your right palm. Now, here's an important note. Once we begin our next step, do not orientate your whole puzzle cube until it is completely solved. You will learn a very simple new algorithm and apply it repeatedly until all the corner pieces are solved. After doing each algorithm, the only side that you turn is your left side. Again, do not turn any other sides or orientate your puzzle cube even if your puzzle cube looks messed up. Always keep the yellow center facing your left palm and the white center facing your right palm. Alright, ready? Let's do the final step. Once you have positioned your puzzle cube, rotate the corner that you want to solve to your bottom left, like so. Then, you will apply this algorithm repeatedly until the corner is solved. Here's how it goes. R prime, U prime, R, U. R prime, U prime, R, U. This corner is solved. Do not worry about the rest of your puzzle cube, which is messed up right now. They will automatically be fixed once you solve your top 4 corners. Now let's solve the next corner by rotating the left side and put the corner that you want to solve on your bottom left like so. Then apply the same algorithm. R prime, U prime, R, U. 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 With that, our top 4 corner pieces are solved. And we will rotate our left side one more time and our puzzle cube is solved. This method of solving the top layer of your puzzle cube is simple, but you have to repeat some of the algorithms several times to solve the edges and the corner pieces. Nevertheless, you can solve your puzzle cube without having the need to memorize many long and complex algorithms. I hope you like this video tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss any of our videos. Alright, I'll see you on our next video, and bye for now.